when they observed an unusual sight. A patch of brownish-yellow material was present in a section of the ocean, measuring more than 1,000 feet across. As they got closer, a strong sulfur odor was detected by the crew. Background: what had just occurred was a submarine volcanic eruption in an area thought to be void of volcanic activity. Although this eruption cannot be necessarily linked to the island of Oahu, it implies the possibility that its volcano is not truly extinct but rather in a long-term period of dormancy. Several young volcanic features exist on the island of Oahu, such as the Diamond Head Tuffcone. This video will discuss the Oahu Island volcano, and mention what its future hazards are along with its odds of erupting once again. The remote Hawaiian Islands exist due to an underlying hotspot in the mantle. This hotspot does not move, but the crust overlying it does. Thus, over many millions of years, this hotspot constructed dozens of volcanoes, thus forming the Hawaiian Island chain. Although the majority of molten rock is concentrated on the big island of Hawaii and its 4 volcanoes, some material also manages to go into the Haleakala volcano on Maui. On even rarer occasions, this magma can reach a bit further west, such as Oahu. The modern island of Oahu was constructed via eruptions from 2 large, shield volcanoes. Waiʻanae built the western half on Oahu while Koʻolau built the eastern half of the island. The Waiʻanae volcano began forming 3.8 million years ago, when a large amount of magma erupted onto the ocean floor. Over a duration of approximately 100,000 years, numerous submarine eruptions built this volcano until it reached the ocean's surface. From 3.8 to 2.2 million years ago, a large, shield volcano with a curved rift zone constructed the western half of the island of Oahu. Beginning around 2.6 million years ago, a second volcano known as Koʻolau erupted. This shield volcano was also constructed in a massive oblong edifice over the next 800,000 years. Then, for 300,000 years this volcano lied dormant. Suddenly, 1.5 million years ago, something caused the entire eastern half of the volcano, cutting right through the eastern half of its caldera, to catastrophically collapse into the ocean. This landslide was one of the largest known to ever occur on the planet, and resulted in 5,000 cubic kilometers of rock traveling up 230 kilometers to the north. Debris from this landslide even created several large underwater mountains such as the seamount shown on screen. What remained of the island was a prominent ridge representing the western edge of the prior collapse. The remnants of the original caldera now lie in Kaneohe Bay, which was once the center of the volcano.